Hi, I'm Sandy Eklund. I'm a librarian at City of Fairfax Regional Library, and I'm here to tell you about a book you might enjoy called Homerooms and Hall Passes by Tom O'Donnell. As the book opens, we meet a band of young adventurers. There's Thromdor, a barbarian, Sorrowshade, a gloom elf, Bella the Valiant, a paladin, and Devis, a thief. They are scouring a dark and dismal dungeon looking for treasure, and they uncover an ancient evil which they must defeat. But then the scene flashes back to their friend Albirix, an apprentice wizard who's eagerly looking forward to his friend's return when they will play their weekly role-playing non-adventure game, Homerooms and Hall Passes. Homerooms and Hall Passes takes Albirix and his friends to the exotic world of suburbia, where they attempt to conquer middle school, a strange new world of routine and boredom with the help of player manuals and the roll of the dice. Well, after defeating an evil sorcerer in the dungeon, his friends come back with some cursed treasure. When Albirix translates the inscription out loud, the curse takes hold and they get transported to the world of their game. Can our adventurers actually handle middle school? They do show up in suburbia with their characters' names and families, but unfortunately they didn't magically get their characters' abilities in the game. If they fail a class or get expelled, they're out of the game. And that's a challenge more daunting than any dungeon. Homerooms and Hall Passes by Tom O'Donnell is available from Fairfax County Public Library, either in physical form or as an ebook or e-audiobook from Overdrive.